Wanda. So I'm trying for a different camera setup. We'll see how this goes. Oh, I'm about to give up on the whole camera situation. I know it's frustrating when you can't see everything. And so we're going to try it this way and see what happens. I'm going to do another one of the gold, two different shades of gold and the bronze, but I'm adding this time the Folk Art Amethyst Metallic. Beautiful color, I love that color. And I am going to use the blow dryer, even though it turns out pretty, because last time it turned out pretty and I forgot. I literally forgot to do the blow dryer. So I want to get the texture with a color and see what happens, because I haven't done that yet. And I'm going to need, this is a 12 by 16. I'm going to need about 7 ounces. This is a 9-ounce cup, so I'm going to guesstimate. And all the paints are mixed, 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol. Even the Amethyst. It may be just a little bit thinner, but I think it'll be okay. Once again, I'm using the Chroma Molten Metals in Dorado Gold, Anita's Metallic in Classic Gold, and Anita's Metallic in Bronze. So I'm gonna layer these in the cup. I don't think I'm gonna do a dirty pour. I think I'm gonna layer them in the cup, but then I'm gonna pour them in puddles and see what happens. So start out with some of that gold, put some of this gold, which is a little different color. You might be able to see it right there that it is. A little bit, let me bring it back up here, a little bit of bronze, not much. Purple, amethyst. Let me show you see if you can see this in the camera. This is the thickness. It runs off. If you don't hold it up very far, you're going to get a little mound on a mound. It's not going to be a thick mound on a mound. It's going to be a small mound on a mound. But it's just flowing good. As you can see, it just flows good. If you hold it up high, it's going to fall through. So no water in this at all. But that's how that is mixed, and I hope you can see that. So more gold. More classic gold. A little bit more bronze. I'm going to use the rest of that classic to get me up hopefully to 7 ounces. Or 8, that'd be fine too. I think I'm going to have to go, well, I'm going to have to use the rest of my amethyst. So there's that. Put a little bit more bronze. Maybe I'll go ahead and use it all, even though I'm hesitant to. Hope you all are having a good day. It's Friday evening here in eastern Tennessee. Getting really hot outside. Has been hot and humid. But supposed to be real bad this weekend. I'll be staying in most of the time. So that's how it looks. Hope you can see that. I've tried to get my lighting set up so I don't have too many shadows and stuff. Oh, this is so pretty. I certainly hope it comes out pretty. Well, that was ugly. Try to cover that up, see what happens. I'm gonna go outward. It may end up being something I regret, but I don't know. I'm gonna hit it with a blow dryer anyway, so I'm not gonna panic about it. So that's what we have. Beautiful. Hope I have enough. You kind of have to leave a little more of this on the canvas maybe, so that it'll blow around a little bit. I mean, you don't want to stretch it all completely off, and so I hope I have enough here. I thought from the measurement of my cups that I would have. Hope I'm not completely out of frame. Well, I think I got a text from my daughter and it knocked me out. So I'm starting again. I checked the camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this canvas covered where you all can see it. Oh, this is so pretty. I don't know why I hadn't done this sooner. Come on back down there, paint. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be beautiful. Oh, it's gonna hurt my feelings to have to hit it with blow dryer, but I'm determined to do that. I'm gonna use self-discipline and do that because I want to see what happens, and if I don't do it, I'll never know. So, I have to do it. Okay, I want to get what paint I've got left back down in there a little bit. Not lose all that. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna see if you all can see this. Gorgeous. Absolutely wonderful, even though I have shadows on it. Okay, paint. Oh, I would so leave that. So pretty. All right, let me get my blow dryer, dry my hands off. I will mute so that you don't hear the blow dryer. I'm going to, I think, try to go in like this some instead of just blowing sideways and see what happens. Okay, well that took a long time. I hope you stuck with me, but you do have to have some paint on the canvas to get it to kind of move. And I love it when I get a sheet of it kind of going, but I still don't want it to be like just too obvious. But I love this. You know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of a resin. When you're working with resin and you put your paints in there and then you hit it with the heat gun, which is what I always love the best because it flows and it blends and it swirls around and stuff. So I'm loving this. I think it's gorgeous. I love it the way it is. I loved it the way it was before. So there's no losing on this one for sure. I do not like that corner right there. So I'm going to hit it just a minute, just a tad. But I'm so happy with this. I can't wait to show you this up close. So hang on for a second. Okay, I broke that up just a little bit. This looks like it's kind of plain, like it could stand to be hit a little bit too. I don't know if I have enough paint down there actually for it to move good. I'm done. I'm not touching it anymore. I love this. This is gorgeous. Oh, I know it's going to dry pretty too. Let me take the camera down and I will give you a close-up. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Trying to get more subscribers. Going to do a giveaway, an appreciation giveaway at 1,500. So help me to get there. Thank you. Once again, it's not nearly as bright in person looking at it as it is, especially the purple, through this camera. So let me step back so you can hopefully see up close. I love the way this swirls and the way all this paint blends. I'm trying to keep the shadows off of it and the reflections. So this is how it came out. I love the way it swirls and blends. And trust me, it's not this, it's more of a medium reddish gold, actually. It looks golden purple here, just like solid golden purple, but it has a lot of that bronze tint to it that's more of a reddish color. And I love these. I love these. I'm going to keep doing these. And see, up in there, even where it was just mostly gold, with the 2 shades of gold. I may do one with just the 2 shades of the gold so that you all can see what I'm talking about tomorrow. So that's what I ended up with. Wow. I hope this dries good and it dries a more accurate color, because this definitely is not showing what I'm seeing with my eyes. So it's more of a golden, yellowy golden color than what you're seeing there. A deeper, richer gold color. It's the best way I can describe it. So thanks for watching.